your name is spelled Learnandplay. Put your name back together. L E A R N D A N P D P L Y A Y. You got a star. Come back tomorrow for another one. You found a story. This story is called
Mad Monkeys.
Tap on the arrow to start.
1 monkey. 2 monkeys. 3 monkeys. Moo. 'Mad monkeys. Which animal says moo?
Put the word monkey back together. M O N K E Y. Monkey. This is the letter M. This is the letter M. M says Monkey starts with Monkey. Monkey. Drag the letter M onto the monkey. These things all start with the letter M. Tap on the things that start with the letter M. Monkey. Milk. Mouse. Moon. Say monkey. Say moon. Say milk. Tap on the things that start with the letter moon. Fish. Start monkey. Fox starts with F. Milk. Mouse. Tap on the letter M every time. M. F. M. M.